But aside from this, what is your business?
Oh, we have a business here.
Restaurant?
No. It's a Pogo Sugar.
Ano yun?
Sugar?
Pogo Sugar.
Pogo?
You know that? Pogo Sugar.
Sugar.
What kind of
Sugar. Sugar. Pogo. Sugar. Pogo and Sugar.
Sugar.
Mayroon kayong sugar.
Yeah.
What kind of sugar?
Sugar. Yeah. Fine sugar.
Fine sugar.
Oh, wait. Here.
Do you have sample?
You.
May I see?
Oh, yeah.
Came from?
Came from Bacolod.
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 Yeah,
How
yeah,
much?
sugar
How much per
cane.
kilo?
Huh?
How much per kilo?
I'm not updated. I'm not updated
So
the
give
price.
us your price.
You want to get the sugar? And
Yeah.
also we have the Pogo.